O to make a paper bag. Want to make a paper bag that differ from the regular brown paper bag? You can always make your own paper bag with some old magazine, newspaper, or craft paper lying around. You can make one tie a little more sturdy or one tie decorative for a gift, an art piece, or a fun activity. Decorating your paper bag. Osangate your material. Depending on what kind of paper bag you want to make, you want to keep in mind why you want it to look like, how sturdy it is, and what or no you like it to have a handle. You'll need scissors, glue, a ruler, and a pencil to help you assemble the bag colored or pattern craft paper ideal for the project. It care material help to keep the bag sturdy and allow it to be more wet inside. Craft paper communal design en color. Wrapping paper or newspaper good material to use if you have something more delicate in mind. At a piece of rope or ribbon work to create a handle. Get a material like stencil, fitter, glitter, paint, en coloring pen en crayon to decorate your bag. Q a piece of paper to 9.5 x 15 inches, 24 x 38 cm. Use a ruler to measure out the dimension en a light pencil to stencil out the shape. Or you can cut a rectangle of an inches. Save yourself some time by using the naturally straight edge of your paper. If your piece of paper is right size, cut your paper bag from the corner instead of in the middle of your material. Decorate your bag. In some cases, decorating your bag before assembling it is much easier. If you're making a pattern, or painting the bag in a different color, it's easier to decorate with a flat piece of paper to ensure your pattern en color remains same true. Decorate only on side of the paper. You can decorate both sides if you would like to show off a pattern inside the bag or to cover up unsightly material, especially if you're using newspaper. Assembling your paper bag. Place the cut paper in front of you on a flat surface. Make sure to place it in landscape orientation or long side dependent, short side to let on right. If you have decorated your paper, make sure the decoration are dry and faced down. Fold the bottom edge of the paper up 2 inches, 5 cm, and sharply crease the fold. When you're done, unfold. The and will at become the bottom of the bag. Look at the center point of the top and bottom edge. To dot, you can calculate the center point with a ruler or fold your paper to find center. There are 3 points you will have to mark. Maintaining a landscape orientation, bring the short side to jet a to give over folding the whole thing in half, and pinch the top and bottom of the old fold to mark where the center of a long side. Lightly mark the spot with a pencil. Mark the paper again half inch, 13 mm, to bot the let on right of a center point. When you're done, you should have see mark total, 3 inch center of on a long edge of your paper entre on tote. Fold side of the bag into place. Be sure to maintain the landscape orientation a you work to fold side a follow. Bring the right edge of the paper to let most pencil line en fold. On set fold properly creased, unfold. Repeat inverse on opposite side. Flip the paper over, refold let on right side de noir toward the center, angle tem te overlap. Be sure to fold along the same line before, but not that fold will be averted. Let glue dry completely before moving on to the next step. Flip the bag over so that si glue side down. Make sure to orient it so that on of the pen en point over you. Fold side crease inward to create a slight accordion effect. You will be make the side of the bag so that it open up a rectangle. With your ruler, measure inward about 1.5 inch, 3.8 cm, from the left side of the bag. Lightly mark it with your pencil. Push the left side crease of the bag inward toward the interior of the bag. Dot until the left mark you made in the previous steps onto the edge of the paper binding. Press fold the paper de noir so that the pencil mark line up with the new fold edge. Try to keep the top and bottom edge symmetric à la you pressed paper done. Repea on the right hand side. When you're done, the body of the bag should fold in on it side just like a grocery shopping bag. Prepare the bottom of the bag. To determine which on it bottom, look for the crease line you fold previously to mark the bottom of the bag. Keep the bag flattened for no and prepare the bottom. Fold angle the bottom of the bag into place. Once you've determined where the bottom of your baggy piece to jet the bottom. Fold the bag 4 inch, 10 cm, up from the bottom and crease it along the line. Keeping the rest of the bag flattened, open up the bottom of the bag. The var flaring crease should top open, forming a square edge. Inside, you should a triangle of fold paper on it side. Piece to jet the bottom of the bag. You will be folding a facade toute santé, using your triangular shape to ensure the bottom of the bag evenly put to jet. Fold let on right side of the open, square shaped bottom completely done. Use to thermostage of a interior triangle a guide. When you're done, the bottom area should have 8 side like an elongated octagon instead of 4 side like it had before. Fold the bottom strip of the octagon over the center of the bottom of the bag. Fold the top strip of the octagon downward over the center of the bottom of the bag. The bottom should not neatly fold shut, glute edge or overlap on le dry. Pop the bag open. Make sure the bottom is completely closed off and that there are no gaping the glue edge. Add your handle. You can ribbon, rope, or string to make handle. You can leave your bag with to handle. Hold the top of your bag closed and use a hole punch or pencil to make the hole at the top of your bag. Don't punch your hole too close to the edge of the bag or the weight of your bag plus anything acid it could break the handle. Reinforce the hole by lining the hole edge using clear taper glue. Slide the of your handle string through the hole and make a knot on your handle string on the side of the bag. Make sure the knot is big enough so it the and slide through the hole. You may have to tie a knot knot of it existing knot to anchor the pieces. The knot keeps the handle in place. Tip. Cover your work area with nest paper. It will make cleaning up easier. Colored chart paper will also work. You can use the gift for a free. Decorate it with art supply glité, peint en marqueur. If you want a short bag, fold the top of it that you want and along to fold with scissors. Use some cloth on your bag for designing. Use glue sparingly.